Welcome back, future criminologists. In this video, we will be discussing the crimes of search warrants maliciously obtained and abused in the service of those legally obtained. Search warrants maliciously obtained and abused in the service of those legally obtained. The crimes of search warrants maliciously obtained and abused in the service of those legally obtained are governed by Article 129 of the Revised Penal Code as amended. Under Article 129, the crime is committed by any public officer or employee who shall procure a search warrant without just cause, or, having legally procured the same, shall exceed his authority or use unnecessary severity in executing the same. Ito ay isang krimen na ginagawa ng mga opisyal o empleyado ng gobyerno sa pamamagitan ng pagkuha o pag-apply ng search warrant ng walang basihan o hindi makatarungang pagpapatupad sa mga valid o legal na search warrant. Under Article 129, there are two punishable acts mentioned. First, procuring a search warrant without just cause. And second, exceeding his authority or by using unnecessary severity in executing a search warrant legally procured. Let us discuss each of the punishable acts. First punishable act, procuring a search warrant without just cause. Itong act na ito ay may tatlong elements. Una, ang offender ay public officer or employee. Pangalawa, kumuha siya o may search warrant siya. Pangatlo, ang pagkuha ng search warrant o yung search warrant ay walang basihan. Kailan ba walang just cause? There is no just cause if you obtained a search warrant without probable cause. Walang just cause pag walang probable cause. Kailan walang probable cause? First, it is actually the act of applying for a search warrant knowing that the facts are fabricated. Pag nag-apply ka ng search warrant at yung mga pangyayari ay fabricated o gawa-gawa lamang. Or, second, the applicant has no personal knowledge of the facts but made it appear that he has. Yung aplikante ay walang personal knowledge sa mga nangyari. Pwedeng nangyari talaga pero yung aplikante ay hindi siya yung nakakita. Second punishable act, exceeding his authority or by using unnecessary severity in executing a search warrant legally procured. Itong act na ito ay may tatlong elements din. Una, ang offender a public officer or employee. Pangalawa, may valid search warrant siya. Pangatlo, hindi makatarungan o tama ang pagpapatupad sa search warrant. Halimbawa, tinakot mo yung mga occupants o sinaktan mo yung mga nakatira doon kung saan mo isi-serve ang search warrant na hindi naman kailangan. Hindi ka naman po mag-a-arrest, mag-search ka lang po. Unless of course your life is at stake, then force can be justified. Another example, ang nakalagay sa search warrant, sa bahay ni Juan kayo magse-search, pero sa bahay ni Pedro kayo nag-search. We will discuss in detail the topic search warrant in a separate video. We will put the link on the description box once the video is already available. Subscribe and stay tuned. Next, sino nga ba itong public officer or employee na sinasabi natin? Persons liable are only law enforcement agents since private persons cannot apply for a search warrant or serve a search warrant. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.